Slow them down.
Hell yeah, look, when it stops and it keeps coming back, but it stops for sure. Watch.
If you open up the other one, you'll get that, it'll fucking, that burping should stop. There you go. Because it's going to backfeed through one of the units that are probably trying to call for cool. Okay, I'm running up to 1605. Just let it drain. I'm not going to be able to make the repair until after the meeting.
All right.
So once all the water's out, I guess just run back up to the roof and I'll call you when I'm ready to hit this again.